Philipps University is privileged with regard to its location in Nicosia, the capital of Cyprus. Situated on the periphery of the center of Nicosia, in the suburb of Acropolis, the university stands on premises facing the Veria Acropolis Park. The university operates from well-designed, state-of-the-art, custom-built premises which meet all the educational requirements of a modern university. Sports grounds and cafeteria provide students with the opportunity to relax and exercise. Sufficient parking space is also available for students, staff, and visitors. The internal environment of the university is conducive to learning. Modern safety and security systems protect people and property. The library plays an active and progressive role in the educational endeavor of the university and strengthens the foundation of its academic programs. To achieve this goal, constant attention is given to the continuing development and growth of the three core elements of the Philipps Library: the library collection, physical facilities, and staff. The collection supports the curriculum offerings of the university and provides enough depth for the research needs of students and faculty, and with enough scope to stimulate the free pursuit of their individual interests. The library contains 35,000 volumes of books and periodicals. Through agreement with renowned publishers, the university ensures that contemporary electronic books are available. Library staff are highly educated, highly trained, and committed to their professional development. The library has a close association with the library of the Kapodistrian National University of Athens. The library is a member of the Consortium of Cyprus Academic Libraries. The University Information Center provides and develops and maintains programs for a wide range of applications. The information technology personnel provide training, information, advice, and assistance to users on campus. The Information Technology Center is connected to SciNet, Cyprus National Research and Education Network. SciNet provides a network infrastructure for the Cypriot research and education community. The national backbone of SciNet is connected to the European backbone, GEANT2, that is part of the worldwide community of research and education networks. The Information Technology Center is comprised by 3 labs. Lab A has Windows-based computers, Lab B has Linux-based computers, and Lab C has Raspberry Pi computers. Nursing is an essential component of healthcare and is both an academic and practice-oriented discipline. As an academic discipline, nursing has the obligation to continually generate and refine its knowledge base through ongoing scientific inquiry. As a practice, nursing is committed to facilitating human adaptation and achievement of maximum potential. Practice placement allows for experience to be gained in a guided setting under the supervision of qualified nursing staff in hospitals, clinics, and healthcare centers. Where feasible, the student practices his/her nursing skills acquired in a laboratory setting. The 4-year full-time program in nursing has been constructed to ensure the provision of the appropriate theoretical, practical, and applied components of nursing, which enable graduates to enter the profession of nursing with the necessary levels of knowledge, skills, and confidence. The overall aim of the course is to stimulate and enable students to become compassionate, caring, competent, and critical practitioners. Philipps University. New beginnings, endless possibilities.